Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. The washer journey continues. Still getting F21 suds. The drain plug looks good. All the hoses in the back looks good. I don't think anything is clogged. The only part I haven't looked at is this motor. Before I take it apart, let's do some research and see what's out there. Okay, I'm gonna follow this video by Nazaretos on how to remove and install a new one. I just placed an order while we wait for this one to come. Let's go take ours apart. That was pretty easy to remove. This orange tab went here in the middle. These two black rubbery pieces on the side connected to these two. I used pliers to loosen this one and this one. There was an electrical piece that connected to right there. Let's wait for the new one. They look pretty similar. These black tabs are the ones down here that I will remove before installing the new ones. The electrical part looks like it's pretty similar to the one we have. I really hope this works because I am running out of ideas. Let's get this plugged in. I think it's always easier to take things apart than put them back together. These two metal clamps were annoying to get back in place, and the rubber feet took a little bit of moving around, but overall, not too bad. I'm not very optimistic because nothing has worked. Let's try running a load. This is the furthest I've gotten through Diagnostics to C09, and there's no error code popping up. But every time I try running a regular load, I get suds in a minute or two. We'll wait for that. Why does it do that? I think we're at least making progress, not getting the F21 to pop up, but I guess next video, we'll see if there's anything we could do about the suds. But for now, video 233 done.